Si Norman Binangonan, sabi niya. Pangalawa, itong si Paolo Reggae. Ba? Paolo Reggae? Ano to?
Makakalaro niya siguro sa bilyar yan. That name that we always love to mention. Pero wala naman tayo mababanggit na S2S dito kasi meron pa
Oo, ang players natin. Walang gustong pumasok indos eh.
And the 9 ball is near to each other. Alam mo may special na mangyayari.
Oo.
Tulad yan!
Ooh!
Ay, konti na lang! O, tapos placing ulit. Sabi
But a
ko.
great try there. I'll take an intentional foul. Kung ako
But no, Nick Abergas is gonna go for that side pocket. May silip.
Wow! Okay.
Avoided the scratch.
It's nice.
And Nick Abergas got it. And Nick Abergas will slowly break up that collection of object balls.
Ngayon, mabibiyayaan siya. On this one.
Did not go for a scratch on that corner pocket. Kasi pwede naman kung lalagyan niya talaga, kung didiinan niya yung pailalim doon. Oh. Fast queuing coming from Nick Abergas.
Total, nasa bibig naman na daw yung 9.
Ay, diretso na yan.
Dalawa pa yung pinasok niya, Jay.
Lininis talaga.
Oo.